this one was a real one.
What's up, y'all? Today is Saturday. It is currently 9 a.m. and I'm about to get my lashes done. This is how they look. Y'all, I'm not super tired, but usually on Saturdays and Sundays your girl likes to sleep in, so I am a tad bit tired. But I do want to update you guys on what I did yesterday, because I had a fun day yesterday, but I'll probably update or give you guys a recap once. My face looks so dry, but I'm gonna give you guys a recap once after I get my lashes done. So yeah, and if you guys didn't know, I've been steering away from the mega volume and not getting them as thick. I do like them a little thick, but I get between like 16, 18 and like 20. Yeah, or 21, one of those. But I used to get 18, 20 and 22, so like I'm trying to like steer away from the long lashes, because I don't know, I be looking at other girls with long lashes and I'm like, that's how long my lashes look? No. So these are my lashes now. I need my eyebrows done now, but it's not gonna be today when I get them done. But now we're at the gym. I'm drinking this Alani. This is what my pre-workout is by, and I hope it gives me, I'm starting to feel a little jittery, so I feel like it's giving me something, but I've never had it before and it tastes really good. This is in like the Starburst flavor, Cosmic Stardust, but it tastes like a Starburst. Anyways, I'll catch y'all after. What's up, y'all? So it is about 2 hours later. I had a good workout, just kind of did full body and some cardio, and that Alani drink was good, and I feel like it gave me energy. I feel like it was neck to neck with Celsius. But anyways, yeah, we're about to go to a UW game with my girls. One of them is coming to pick me up now, and then we're gonna meet the other one at the field. This is what I have on, a Shein bodysuit. I need to fix that deodorant. Then I have some, I think these are Garage jeans. Anyways, and then perfume, I'm gonna be wearing the Burberry Goddess. I got this for my birthday. I need to put my Fenty gloss on, and then I have concealer under my eyes, and yeah, we're pretty much ready. So I guess I'll catch y'all at the game. Hopefully I can bring my camera, or I will vlog out my phone. What's up, y'all? So I just parked and we're at the fair. Today is Sunday. I'm here with my grandma. We're about to get some food, just walk around, see the animals, stuff like that. So I will vlog once we get inside here. We are on the Sky Ride.
You and your Nana. No. We don't want to.
What's up, y'all? So today is September 14th and your girl is gonna go see Beyoncé. I'm so excited. I've just been seeing videos of her performing all over the gram, so I'm so excited. Like, we know B put on a show. But anyways, I'm wearing a leather jacket, corset, leather skirt, don't mind the mess. Not wearing heels because at a concert, it's a hell no for me. Okay, we're gonna be standing, I'm trying to dance, like, yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna record off my phone. because we know for damn sure I'm not gonna be able to take this camera in. So catch you there.
Check my technique. Wanna feel this technique. Coming from my technique.
What's up, y'all? So it is 4:20. It's a little bit later, and we're about to head into Target. We're here now, so I'm just gonna get all the stuff that I told you guys earlier. So I think for a body wash, I'm gonna try this one. Usually I get this one, but I'm tired of that smell, so I think we're gonna try this. For toothpaste, I think I'm gonna try this. I'm not really married on any of these toothpastes. Not really married or crazy about any toothpaste. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna get this toothpaste because I like it. It whitens your teeth and makes your teeth and makes your breath feel fresh. Think about trying one of these masks. Just don't know which one. I'm leaning more towards the hydrating one because I need some hydration. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day. I didn't get to show you guys what else I got from Target. So I got everything that I already showed you guys in the vlog or in the previous clip, and then but I also got, which I'm super excited about, mind you, just got back from the gym, so that's why my hair looks all sweated out and I got this sports bra on. But I got this Ivers lip scrub. Now, you know, Ivers is known for their scrubs, so I know this has to be a good scrub. But the fact that it's a lip scrub, I'm like, ooh, that's gonna be good. And then I just got the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rose Lips. I was trying to find this in the lotion section because that's where it's usually at, but it was in the travel section and it's in like news. It's like in new packaging, but I just keep this in my car. I try to keep one because I lose lip gloss quite frequently, but I try to keep one in my car, one in my desk at work, and then one in my purse, so that anytime my lips are chapped, any given time, I will have something to use. So this will go in my car. Yeah. And usually I like use this on my way to work, and then I'll use my lip gloss once I get there. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's pretty cute. I like this packaging better than what it was before. But anyways, we just got back from the gym. It was back day. Let's peep the back. It's getting there. Anyways, I'm about to get ready for work. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this hair, and I just look crazy. So catch y'all in a bit.